Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Subscribe and share the recipe if you like it. Today's recipe is green beans aloo or French beans aloo. Let's see what we have here. We have beans, garlic, tomato and potato. I have washed the beans. I'm going to remove its ends and cut them in small pieces. Let's look at the ingredients. We have beans cut in pieces, finely chopped garlic, chopped tomato and aloo cut in pieces. I have kept in water. If I leave it like that, it will turn brown. We'll be using later on in the sabzi, so let it be in water till then. Next we have oil, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder. All these ingredients are easily available at home. No need for any exotic ingredients. Ingredients are ready. Let's start cooking. I'm first going to add oil. Next is finely chopped garlic. Cook it for a minute or so till it changes the color little bit. I will now add chopped tomato to it. Cook it for a minute or so till it becomes little soft. We can now add beans to it. We will leave it like this only and cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. But we will keep a lid over it and pour some water on it. Check our beans have cooked a little bit, but there is some water. Now we will add masalas and aloo to it. We'll now add salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder and aloo. Stir them well so that all masalas and salt get mixed properly with the vegetables. We'll cook this on low flame for 10 minutes after keeping a lid with water in it. Check if vegetables, that is aloo and beans, have cooked properly. If they are done, then you can heat this on low flame till the water dries up. Water has dried up. Sabzi is now ready. Aloo beans ready to be served with chapati. Aloo bean sabzi is now ready. Let us garnish it with coriander.